Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a like, I'd really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this natural look. This is a look that you can wear every day or even wear it when you're going out. It highlights your features and it's really quick and easy to do. So if you like it, please keep watching. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face with the Embryolisse moisturizer. This moisturizer is so hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. This is one of the moisturizers that many makeup artists use in their kits because it is a lifesaver for dry skin. For my eyebrows, I go in and fill it in with some eyeshadow. You can use an eyebrow pencil, but I prefer using an eyeshadow for my eyebrows. What I like to do, especially for a natural look, is keep it really soft and natural looking. I don't want it to be too harsh. My eyebrows are naturally dark and full, so it still does look harsh. But if you have more thinner eyebrows or lighter colored eyebrows, I would recommend being really soft-handed and defining them, but still keeping them looking really natural. Next, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This step is not necessary. You can even go in with concealer or foundation and set it. It's just so when I put eyeshadow or bronzer or anything on my eyelids, it won't crease. After blending out the primer, I am going in with the Airspun translucent powder to set it. So next I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm using this in my crease to warm up my eye so it doesn't look washed out. But I still want it to be really soft and natural because it's a natural look. So then I'm going in and curling my lashes. I love to curl my lashes because it opens up the eyes. And then I'm taking the matte palette from the KKW Beauty, and I'm using the dark brown shade to fill in my lash line and make like a liner with it so that my lashes look more full. And ow, just be careful of not getting eyeshadow into your eyes like I did. When your eyes are open and you're filling in eyeshadow really close to your lash line, it does fall out, so be very cautious of that. For mascara, I'm going in with the Perversion mascara from Urban Decay. I am going in with a light coat so that my lashes stay separated and don't look chunky, especially for a natural look. So next I'm taking the green corrector in order to cancel out any redness I have on my face, like any pimples, or if you have any rosacea, it cancels out redness. Next, I'm going in with a light yellow corrector in order to brighten up my under eyes and brighten up any parts on my face that are dark that I want to brighten up. After blending out the corrector shades, I'm going in with the Face Atelier foundation and I'm pumping that onto my hand, and then I'm taking the Glowtopia oil from Diana Madison Beauty and I'm gonna blend that into my foundation and blend it together before applying it to my face, because the oil will dilute the foundation, so that'll give me a lighter coverage and more glowy natural look, because it is a natural look that we're going for. For concealer, I'm going in with the LC Cosmetics concealer. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I like to set my concealer right after I blend it out so that it doesn't crease. I hate getting foundation on my lips because it washes it out and dries it, so I'm wiping that off here, and then I'm setting my whole face with translucent powder. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm gonna bronze my whole face. You wanna make sure that it looks natural and blend it out well, because this is a natural look. And even though it's a natural look, I am going in and just contouring my nose with a bronzer. The bronzer is more natural looking. If you blend it out really well, it still looks natural. For blush, I'm using the LC Cosmetics blush. After blush and bronzer, I like to take a big fluffy brush and blend it all together. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter, and I'm trying to be really light-handed when it comes to highlighter because it's a natural look. I don't want it to be too blinding because it is a natural look, but I do want to add a subtle glow, so I'm going really light-handed. And then in the end, I'm going to blend it together so that it's not standing out so much. For my lips, I am lining my lips, slightly overlining them with a taupe lip liner. And that'll make it look more full and contoured. For my liquid lip, I'm going in with the Dose of Colors in this pinkish shade. I don't remember what this shade's called, but I'll have all the products listed down below. By going in with this type of shade, it looks natural to my natural lip shade so that I keep the natural look that I'm going for. I wanted to put my hair down and go for like that wet natural look, but I don't like how my hair looks separated in the middle with my natural hair, so I just decided to put it back up. And this is the final look. If you guys liked it, make sure you subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!